That's when we start the new season of fall. And we're definitely not leaving behind summer quite yet. We're going to have this ridge of high pressure that's currently going to be in the Midwest today on this Monday. It's going to slide over. So we're going to see more warm temperatures. Also, humidity will be on the rise. So we do have this band of snow starting to work into Lewis County right now throughout the border of Braxton and Gilmer, continuing to Calhoun. That's going to continue to work northeast. We are having more of that heavy snow working in, but the one we're closely watching is the one that bows out like that. That indicates that there could be rotation with that system. So we are seeing that does have the biggest threat for producing a tornado, but all of this will be producing severe weather that's pushing across the Ohio River right now. Very strong system ahead of this cold front. This line right here is what we're tracking currently. Heavy rain, strong gusting winds, hail, and tornadoes are all possibilities as this continues to move through. So once this whole system wraps up, you can expect about 1 to 3 inches of snowfall for most of places near and to the west of I-79. Further to the east, though, 3 to 4. Higher elevations can see up to 4 to 6 inches. So we are definitely going to have that snow working in, causing some traffic difficulties tonight and probably tomorrow morning. Now our 4 Live radars are picking up some heavy rainfall in portions of Randolph County as well as in Upshur. You can see a strong storm with some heavy rainfall right now in Lewis County, dumping some rain on Weston, also some across the region. So the big picture shows we're not completely out of the woods when it comes to these showers and storms. Seeing that snow ending for all of us across the Mountain State. Skies will be clearing as we go through overnight hours because that low pressure system is moving off to the northeast, giving us that wraparound bands of snow. Those will be continuing to move off to the east. A bit gloomy on Monday, but sunshine has been sticking around since then. So Walter has been loving it, been taking the park every day. Today will be another great park day. We're going to climb into those 80s as we work into the afternoon, but sunshine will stick around. So he's giving today 5 out of 5 paws. Well, it may still feel like summer out there, but if you look around, you can already see some of the leaves changing. This is going to be the time estimate for the peak colors of those leaves changing. Not as warm tomorrow, only getting into the low 70s for highs with sun and clouds. And then as that second cold front does move closer, we're going to see that chance for showers, even thunderstorms later in your day, but drying up for your Wednesday and cooling down, seeing that high just about 10 degrees below average for this time of year. Low humidity sticks around, but plenty of sunshine as we have a Canadian high setting up for your Thursday and Friday tops. But with that cold front, seeing much colder air pulling in, that jet stream is dipping down to our south, allowing that cold Canadian air to pool into our area. So finally starting to feel like December as we head into your Friday and Saturday. But if you're not a fan of that, it's not lasting too long. Looking off to the west, we're seeing that warmer air that's going to be making its way back into our area just in time for Christmas. And as we look behind me, I-79 is there. Crews have been working all day long. It's looking pretty clear right now, but temperatures are in the teens still, so things are freezing over.
It doesn't look pretty out there right now, so fill us in about what's happening out there.
Well, it's starting to come down a little heavier as we go through the rest of the news. We started off with some light snow, but looking at right now, we're seeing some more accumulation as we go through the rest of the evening and some more dense snow. Jill has some in her hand right now.
Meteorologist Kate Mantych is live outside the 5 News studios. So Kate, good afternoon. How much snow did we get, and can we expect any more today?
Well, we got several inches across the area, but the good news is it has ended for most of us. Still some flurries, especially to the east of I-79 and as you head closer to the mountains.
I held out to my end of the bargain. Pirates,
nice.
Unfortunately, I do not like wearing this. Unfortunately, lost the wild card game, as any Pirates fan would know. But a few years ago, we did well. Hopefully, this upcoming season, we'll have a little bit better luck.
Definitely will.
But
sorry, Kate.
To be fair, the Cardinals didn't make it past the Cubs either, so I'll be a sport and wear this as well and do my final forecast in a Buccos jersey. We are going to be cold out there. It's not going to last too long because we'll have plenty of sunshine and some southerly flow to pump in some warm temperatures for the start of our weekend. But right now we're going to start off with clear skies. You can see that sun starting to slowly rise on your first look. HD Sky came at Buchanan Toyota. We are seeing, though, clear skies with it and dry weather with those clear skies. No clouds, no rain showers, and that's going to continue into today with all that sunshine, too. We're going to warm up these temperatures. Starting today off in the upper 30s and low 40s for most of north central West Virginia, but as you work into places like Elkins, they have dropped back into the 20s for a very cold start. But with that sunshine, quickly going to warm these temperatures up to about 20 degrees above average for this time of year. And with all that sunshine, it's not a surprise. We're going to see a dry, live vibrator all day today for your Friday. No clouds, no rain, so it will be a quiet day on our radar and quiet day during our futurecast. We're going to continue into 6 p.m. Pause there. Temperatures will be falling back into the 50s and 60s at that time in the evening hours. But clear skies are going to remain as we head into the early AM hours of our Saturday. But as that front continues to push through early in the day, we're going to first see clouds moving in around dawn, especially to the west of I-79, and then start to see those rain showers first moving in. High temperatures going to be early in the day, and then they're just going to continue to push down and also push in some cold, windy winds. So temperatures are going to be falling into the 30s. With the winds, going to feel more like the 20s out there. So definitely going to be a cold game for the Mountaineers, as those rain showers will also be switching over to snow showers. First in the highest elevations during the afternoon, and then in the evening and overnight hours for the lowlands, and snow showers will continue as temperatures will struggle to get above freezing for your day on Sunday, with plenty of clouds and still winds making it feel even colder out there. So wind chills on Sunday will be once again in the 20s. And as this all wraps up on Sunday, we're only going to expect a coating to a dusting for the lowlands, nothing too much with it. But as you work up in elevation where the snow showers will linger longer due to upslope, we could be seeing 1 to 2 for the mountains and 2 to 4 even for the highest of elevation. So the first snowfall of the season is headed our way as we go into this very cold weekend. So enjoy today if you like the warmer temperatures. Plenty of sunshine, highs once again near record as we climb well above average for this time of year into the 70s across the lowlands, middle to upper 60s for the higher elevations. Tonight, skies remain clear for the most part. Clouds will start to work in west of I-79 closer to dawn. The temperatures are not going to drop off too much. We're really going to see those highs earlier in the morning hours in the 40s, and then we will once again be dropping those temperatures throughout the day on your Saturday. Clouds move in, so do some winds and even rain showers that will transition to snow showers as we saw, and staying as snow as we head into your Sunday to wrap up your very cold second half of the weekend in the 30s. 30s do stick around for your Monday, but clouds will be moving out for increasing amounts of sunshine, and those temperatures will be bumping back into the 40s and then the 50s as we head into your Wednesday and Thanksgiving. But our travel day Wednesday and Thanksgiving could be featuring some light showers, even some snow showers for the higher elevations on Thanksgiving. So we are going to be seeing, some rain as you're traveling to see your family and eat lots of food.
So not only do we have one of the biggest games for the Mountaineers this coming weekend,
yes,
tomorrow, we have one of the biggest travel days this upcoming week of the year. So definitely going to keep our eyes on the weather.
Yes, we'll have everything for you, but right now the game looks to be very cold. So plenty of layers for everyone out there. Hand warmers, whatever you can get, hot chocolate, just stay warm.
All right. So
Okay, I'm outside now with 2 liters of Diet Coke, 10 Mentos, and a huge raincoat to protect myself. Let's see what happens. All you have to do is take your bag filled with water, sharp pencil, and poke it through. See? It's not leaking. You can do as many pencils as you want.
You're going to add a generous amount of pepper to the water. Just shake it on over. The more, the better.
Welcome back and welcome to Kate's Corner. It's time for another science experiment. Sticking with the Halloween theme, we're going to do a popping pumpkin. So I have just a sandwich bag. I drew a little jack-o'-lantern on it, filled 2/3 or halfway with white vinegar, and then I dyed it with food coloring to make it orange. And then in this, I have just a square of tissue paper, and I filled it with baking soda. This is going to be baking soda bomb is what we'll call it. You open your bag. You don't want to drop the bomb in there until you have it sealed. So you hold in the corner. Make sure you seal this all the way. That's key to this. You want to make sure your bag is very well sealed. Shake it up a little, then drop your bag. did your pumpkin pop? Well, when you combined the baking soda and the vinegar, created a chemical reaction. And one of the products of that chemical reaction was carbon dioxide, so the bag kept filling and filling until the carbon dioxide had nowhere to go, so it had to pop. So that's why you really wanted to make sure the bag was sealed. You can find more on the popping pumpkin experiment online at WDTV.com.